back to Baking by Leah. As it's the Queen's Jubilee this week, I'm going to be making a Union Jack cake. First thing I'm going to do is beat my butter and sugar together. I'm now going to add 6 eggs, one at a time. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I'm now going to add my flour a little bit at a time. Finally, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of milk. I have lined my tray with grease-proof paper. I'm now going to pour my mixture into my tray. I have preheated my fan oven to 180 degrees and I'm going to cook it for 35 to 40 minutes or until a skewer has come out clean. To sieve my icing sugar into my bowl, to add my butter and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm going to cut some of the cake off the top to make it flat. I'm now going to take my icing and spread it over the top. I'm now going to create my Union Jack flag. I'm cutting my strawberries in half, placing one in the middle, and diagonally across I'm going to place my raspberries. And then in the gaps I'm going to fill in with blueberries. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.